tweet, 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 tweet. Music with Miss Deb. Yeah. Hey there, I'm Miss Deb, baby, toddler, and preschool music specialist. And I'm here today to help you grow your little musician. Let's start by singing our hello song. Remember, we're gonna reach up high and wiggle low and twirl. And yes, tweet. You can go around in circles because I know twirling makes you dizzy. Let's stand up. March. Reach up high, high, high. Wiggle low, low, low. Reach up high, high, high. Wiggle low, low, low. Reach up high, high, high. Wiggle low, low, low. Twirl. Round and around we go. Here we go. Sing like a cat. Meow. Like a dog. Woof. Like an elephant. Woo. Like a frog. Rabbit. Reach up high. Wiggle low. Around and around we go. Welcome to Tiny Tinkle's Town, where everyone sings and plays along. Wave hello to all our friends. Round and round we go. Sing like a goat. Nah. Like an alligator. Chop. There's a bear dancing in his underwear. Roar. Reach up high. Wiggle low. Round and around we go. Welcome to Tiny Tinkle's Town, where everyone sings and plays along. Wave hello to all our friends. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. Round and 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 round we go. Woo! Splat! Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet's note of the day. Yay! Welcome to Tiny Tinkle's Town. Today, we're learning all about Chloe Cat. Her favorite letter, her favorite note, and where to find her on the piano. Let's sing on C. Chloe Cat, C, C, C. Chloe Cat, sing, C, 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 C. Where is C? Right before the two black keys. Meow. Let's play C. C, 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 hold, C, 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 hold, C, 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 hold, C. Mr. Repeat again. C, 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 hold, C, 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 hold, C, 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 hold, C. Fine. The end. Oh, Tweety, I'm so happy you had such a good time at music class today. But you know what? Now it's time for us to sing our goodbye song. I love to sing the goodbye song. I know, Tweety. Okay, shall we turn the lights out and get the stars twinkling for you? Yeah, let's sing it piano soft. Oh, Tweety, I'm so proud that you remembered piano means soft. Let's sing our goodbye song really soft. Let's turn the lights out. Now it's time to say goodbye. Let's wave goodbye to all our friends. Don't you worry.
see you soon. At times